Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30189, and this is the Creator Transport Plane. Now, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these videos a day, every day, for the recent past. So there's a decent amount of them out there if you like this kind of thing. Now, if you're interested in this set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I've also included a link to Brickset where you can find kind of just general information about the set itself if you are interested. Now, this is not one of these super old ones, because we can kind of tell that by the number, because it's not one of the creator sets like the one yesterday that was numbered like 778. This one is in the 300s, or I'm sorry, in the 30,000s, I guess is how you say it. Kind of painful to say it that way, but in essence that's it. So let's see. But yeah, this is one of the newer ones, it looks like. So I'm hoping this one is pretty cool. It looks neat. So I mean, it looks neat from the package. So I'm hoping it actually is kind of a cool one. So I got that, and I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit and just stick this one on the front because I know it's coming. And I happen to see the piece. All right. So make sure I don't lose anything. One thing that I'm interested to see with this one is it looks like it has a lot of moving parts. Look at that. And we got another one of these. And again, it seems like that's a good choice, because what it's doing is you have this 2x4 holding this 2x4 right here in place, so it won't move around while we're messing with it, which is kind of good. So we got that. And then it feels like, yeah, this is gonna have I feel like this is gonna have a lot of little action pieces to it. Let's see. So let me look at the date on this one. Should be a date around here somewhere. Curious now. Alright, so this is 2014. It's a copyright on the instructions. So it's probably 5 years older than the one we did last time. So that's not bad. I'm hoping we're going to see big improvements based upon how, like, over time these things have improved. Like, well, that's one thing I have noticed. I've noticed that a lot of the LEGO sets, a lot of the newer ones, they're like, there's more to them. They're more, I don't know, intricate's a weird word, but sort of intricate, I guess, would be what I'd be after. And so we got that, and then we gotta take care of the front part of the cockpit. It's just a couple of these translucent black pieces. One's kind of smoke colored. And then, where's that? Here it is. Got that and that. So that takes us to there. And I stuck the little soon-to-be warning light on it, just for good measure. Now let's see what we got. So we're sticking these two things right here. And these are going to be like our movable wing pieces. And then you're facing backwards, so like this and like this, and that takes care of those. And then we got the tail pieces. so, and like so. That's really kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to line those things up all nice like. And then we have these two pieces going over like that. Now lastly, what we got to do is we got to put together the engine pieces. So we'll put together two of these. Two engine pieces real quick. So that goes that way. That goes that way. This one goes this way. And this one goes this way for our propellers. And then we have little headlights for the back that are like going to be parts of the, obviously parts of the engine. That part right there. And then we got another one of these for this one. And then we have two 1x3 tiles that go across the top. 1 and 2. Like so. And now my guess is we're going to use the black one for the propeller. Oh, it doesn't spin very well, does it? Anyway, we use the black one for the propeller. And it's not supposed to spin very well. And then we use this to connect here. 1 and 2. And then these attach like so. That's kind of disappointing. You think, oh, there we go. That's the problem. The black ones don't go with propellers. I was just matching the colors. I wasn't matching the... So the black ones, I don't know if you can see it or not, because they gave an extra black one. The black ones aren't smooth. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Maybe you can. But like the black ones aren't smooth. They have like little raised areas on them. Huh. Alright, so we'll swap these out. And then we use the gray ones for the propellers. And the propeller spins nicely. And then this stays in place pretty good. Alright, that's awesome. I like that. That is cool. Alright, that's a nice touch. Good job, Lego. And, well, I finally did figure it out. Now for this one, it needs to be on this side. No, it needs to be like this. There we go. It needs to be on this side. And then it snaps in right here. Alright. That is awesome. That is super cool. So, I learned something new today. I learned about the difference in the pen types. Anyway, that's a cool little looking plane. I like that one. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.